This 2026 Forest River Cherokee Grey Wolf 20RDSE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 25 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 4, external shower, microwave, refrigerator, oven, skylight, air conditioning, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Forest River Cherokee Grey Wolf 20RDSE is 4,665 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.